Begin standing at the front of your mat, feet hip-width apart. Observe how the weight is distributed in your feet. Left foot, right foot, toes, heels. Play with the weight, shifting between these 4 points. Now find a place where your weight is as even as possible between these 4 points. Chin slightly tucked in, top of your head reaching straight up to the ceiling. Beginning from your head, tuck in your chin even more and start to ragdoll down one vertebra at a time as slowly as possible. And back up again, one vertebra at a time, super slow. Keep your core fully engaged. Again, down and up in your own time. Go at your own pace. Last one. This time ragdoll down, but stay in a forward fold position. Inhale, bend your knees deeply. Exhale, fold. Inhale, knees bend. Exhale, fold. One more time to deepen. Inhale, bend. And exhale, fold. Keep a deep bend in your knees as you hold the pose. We will stay in this powerful hamstring opener for a full minute. Feel free to sway from side to side or bend and straighten your legs. You can hold on to opposite elbows if it feels good. As always, move in a way that feels best for your body today. Breathe here. Coming out slowly, deepen the bend in your knees and come into a deep squat as you transition onto your bum, using your hands as much as you need to. Center yourself on your mat. Bend your knees, feet hip-width apart, arms holding the back of the knees. Now slowly roll down onto your back, again one vertebra at a time. The slower the better. From here, come into your reclined hamstring stretch on the right side, remembering to use a strap if you need to. We will be here for 1 minute. Bring your awareness to where you are holding tension in your body. Relax the back of the thigh. Relax the front of the throat. Relax the forehead. Breathe. Gently bend the right leg and place your foot on the floor. Extend the leg out. Bring your left leg into your chest and come into your expression of reclined hamstring stretch on the left side. Relax the entire body. Observe the quality of your breath. Inhale, exhale. Gently bend the left leg and place your foot on the floor. Extend the leg out. Moving into our rest pose, Shavasana. Make sure you are warm and comfortable, supporting yourself with blankets or bolsters if you need to. By noticing what your body needs now, you'll become more connected to your body throughout the day, even after your practice. Go ahead and give yourself a big stretch. And then allow yourself to fully relax. Your breathing returns to its natural state, in and out through the belly. No tension. Let go. Feel your body relaxing from your forehead to your toes. Observe where your mind is going and gently bring yourself back to your breath. Breathe into a feeling of peace. Breathing with softness. Begin to deepen your breathing, bringing your awareness back to your body. Introduce small movements, wiggling your fingers and your toes, rubbing your palms together, stretching your arms overhead, whatever feels best for you. In your own time and in your own way, slowly come back to a seated position. We will end our practice here, hands to the heart. Namaste.